good at this. The Mercedes-Benz GLB. GL means it's a SUV. Yes. B means it's based on the B class.
Almost there, Shumi. Really good, almost there. But what you should also know is that the GLB is actually based on the A35 hot hatch.
Okay.
It's A35 hot hatch underneath.
Why is there a B in the GLB then?
Okay, let me simplify this for you. The B is Soccer Mom's van, while the A35 hot hatch, that's based on the MF-A2 platform. We are in Frankfurt, I'm going to be speaking German, MF-A2 platform.
Okay, and your English itself was gibberish, and I didn't hear Telestream, so I'm not even remotely interested.
Oh man. All right, folks, let's just remember that you're watching Powerdrift and we're getting you all the detailed coverage of the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show, where Abhik happens to be on ground and right next to the Mercedes-AMG GLB 35.
I am amazed that that boy manages to go and find cars exactly his own size, absolutely without fail.
This isn't anywhere close to my size, Shumi. In fact, this is a whole 4.6 meters long and 2 meters wide. So compact, it really isn't. In this part of the world though, this SUV sits above the GLA and below the GLC. GLB sits between A and C. Makes total sense, right? Externally, this looks like the baby GLS, and that's a good thing because that gives it this bold front end, and with this AMG variant you even get this aggressive grille. The AMG variant also gets you options of 19 to 21-inch wheels, and the side profile is completed with body claddings, roof rails and a tail section that ends with a spoiler. The rear end gets these split LED tail lamps and twin tailpipes that are housed within this aluminum shroud. Inside you're greeted with sporty black interiors that are pointed in typical Mercedes luxury standards, and with this brushed aluminium finish on the dashboard, around the steering and around the aircon vents, it looks stunning. We'll be seeing more and more of this on newer Mercs, the combination of two 7-inch screens, one of which makes up the instrument cluster and the other one is used for the infotainment screen. Now the infotainment screen does use MBUX, or Mercedes' interface Phew. There are steering mounted controls and 5 new driving modes that can be toggled via a switch on the center console here. The seats are draped in leather and there are 7 of them in here, with the middle row of seats offering a generous amount of legroom but not so much at the rear. Right, but this SUV makes better use of its modular platform, liberating enough space for a third row of seats, unlike the GLA or the GLC SUVs. Now here is where the action is. This is a twin-turbo 2-litre petrol engine that pushes out 306 PS and 400 Nm of torque. Now that's good enough for a 5.1 second run to 100 km an hour from a standstill and a top whack of 250 km an hour. School runs are definitely going to be exciting.
So, the kids will be alright.
Oh man, I have a bad feeling that there's gonna be a lot of these poor jokes around. But yes, because of all this power that the GLB now has, the kids would get some extra sleeping time in the morning. But don't lie awake waiting for this, because we don't know yet whether the GLB will arrive in India or not, or
Wait.
when, or if.
So the question of whether to be or not to be cannot yet be answered, but
No.
there is also the question of which one will be to your taste,
Yeah.
because there is the GLB 200 with the 163 PS, 250 Newton meters. That's from the 1.3 litre turbo petrol with the 7-speed dual clutch automatic.
Yes.
There will also be the 250 with 224 PS, 350 Newton meters of torque from a 2 litre turbo petrol with an 8-speed dual clutch automatic. And wait, there will also be the 220D with a 193 PS, 400 Newton meters, and that's from a 2 litre turbo diesel with the 8-speed dual clutch automatic.
Wow, wow, I'm impressed that you know all of that, but can we just please let the puns be? Okay, hello? Abhi? Okay, wait, I'm just getting in a... Oh, so we know that the GLB is going to be arriving in India next year and that the OMG will follow.
AMG.
That's what I say.
You totally did. Just let it be.
Yeah. Just let it be, guys, and because you are tuned in to Powerdrift, where you're catching in all the action from the Frankfurt Motor Show on ground where Abhik is right now. And there's going to be more such videos. All you have to do is hit the notification bell icon because this is going to be real.
Believe it.